A giant donut with a schedule, a Hello Kitty holder for notes, a cute toast notebook, and a sharpener in the shape of Homer Simpson himself? Today's selection of ideas for your school supplies promises to be really bright and unusual. Pencil lead breaks often, so you should always have a sharpener ready. But after sharpening a pencil, another problem appears. Where can I throw the shavings if the trash can is far away? Our first idea will help. Take a plastic egg from a Kinder Surprise. Use a box cutter to make a round hole. Draw Homer Simpson's face with a pencil. The shape of the plastic egg looks like it was specifically created for this purpose. Color the eyes with whiteout. Paint the beard brown. Outline the whites of the eyes with a black marker. Mark the pupils with dots. Draw a nose and a hairstyle. Fasten the sharpener to the egg from the inside. The result is a sharpener with a container for collecting shavings. A lazy, clumsy guy who loves donuts, hot dogs, and beer. He's got pencil shavings instead of brains. And it seems like Homer is not embarrassed about it. And now we will turn an ordinary notebook into something stylish and fashionable. Color the cover of the notebook with light pink paint. When the layer of paint is dry, draw drips with a pencil. Add closed eyes with a black marker. Draw each eyelash. Color the bangs with golden paint. Create a soft turquoise outline. Fasten a pocket and a stack of sticky notes on the inside of the cover. Decorate the back cover with an envelope. Fasten a ribbon and a calendar. The ribbon will serve as a bookmark, and the envelope will hold all your important correspondence. Write your plans for the day on a sticky note. Fasten it to the first page. Every morning, attach a new sticky note with the tasks for the day, and don't waste clean papers on stuff that will become irrelevant tomorrow. Well, do you like this notebook upgrade? And now take an empty metal can. Paint it blue with a brush. Draw drops on the upper edge of the can. Paint them gold. Decorate the jar with stars and circles. An elegant jar is ready to accept the honorary title of a pencil holder. I can't believe that this delicate accessory used to be an ordinary can. Very beautiful! For the next idea, you need a piece of cardboard and a ruler. Separate a wide strip with a flat line. Cut it off. Draw a sharp angle on the strip. Draw a 3D spiral with a pencil. Cut the angle in a straight line. And now, cut out curly edges. The ruler will help you put the markings on the strip. Draw divisions on both sides. Extend the line to the center. Leave an empty gap in the middle. Go over the scale with a blue marker. Write a column of numbers from 1 to 10 in the center. Starting with a soft blue color, paint the horn. Paint every other curl. Paint the remaining parts of the horn pink. Emphasize the contour of the horns with gold. Unicorns love this color so much that it's time to make it the 8th color of the rainbow. The result is a cute ruler in the form of a unicorn horn. By the way, you can also use it as a bookmark. Don't just throw away an empty chip container. Cut off the top. Choose a scrapbook paper with a bright print. Cover the container with it. Take some lids. Cover the sides. Next, you are going to need a piece of plastic. Fasten it to the jar at an angle. Use hot glue. Cut a rectangle in the wall of the jar. Fasten cardboard strips to the plastic. This jar will comfortably hold your office supplies. And in the meantime, your phone will be on a transparent chase lounge. Isn't a phone stand just as important as a pencil holder? This set doesn't take up a lot of space and performs 2 important functions at once, holding your office supplies and cheering you up. And how can you cheer up without watching new videos on your favorite channel? By the way, have you seen this one yet? For this idea, you need a piece of foam paper. Cut off the round edge. Cut out an elongated rectangle from foam paper. Using superglue, fasten a plank to the end of the piece. Take orange and red pieces of foam paper and cut out pieces like this from them. Glue ears out of them. Fasten the ears to the plank. Draw round eyes with a black marker. Draw white pupils and add glare with whiteout. Attach rosy cheeks. Make a long tongue from red foam paper. Use a marker to draw stripes and get a funny baby tiger. Make a bunny and a cat to keep it company. Look, we made a zoo! Place the bookmarks between the pages and close the book. The ears sticking out will remind you that you need to finish reading this book. And now you need a piece of cardboard. Draw Hello Kitty's head on it. Cut it out, make another piece. Using a foam brush, coat the cardboard with white acrylic paint. Fasten a cardboard partition. Make a rectangular hole on one side of the partition. Apply superglue on the cardboard and attach the second piece. Fasten pieces of colored paper and a pink bow. Attach a black cap in the middle. Use superglue. Draw details with a black marker. The result is a cute Hello Kitty camera. Insert the long sheets into the slot. Put the kitty Polaroid on the desk. No one else will have such a cute and original holder for notes. Next, take a notebook and shorten it with scissors. Draw a silhouette on a piece of cardboard. Make 2 of these pieces. Following the template, cut out details from yellow foam paper. Coat the cardboard with a glue stick. Fasten the foam paper. Apply hot glue to the second piece, leaving the top edge free. Glue the foam paper. Draw a face with the black marker. Paint the cheeks. The result is funny toast with eyes. Fill it with stuffing. Fasten the bread crust made out of dark beige felt. Assemble the notebook. First, the back cover with foam paper. Then insert the trimmed notebook. Cover it with another toasted bread piece. Hot glue them together. A cute toasty notebook is ready. It is so soft and sunny that it immediately cheers you up. To implement another idea, cut out such details from blue felt. Put a thin strip on a wider strip. Sew it along the edge by hand. Attach the remaining pieces. Cut white milk drops from white felt and a small rectangle from red felt. Fasten them with a hot glue gun. Do the same on the other side. Attach a Velcro fastener to the inside. Glue the milk label and a plastic lid. Place your office supplies in the case. A trendy pencil case in the form of a pack of milk is ready to start holding your school supplies. It'll definitely get you a lot of attention. For the next idea, you are going to need plain and colored paper. Glue the sheets together. Cut a heart in the middle. Fasten a piece of flexible plastic to the back side. Use super glue. Take out pages from an old photo album. Cut them to be whatever size you want. Seal the edges with tape. Insert your favorite photos. Make holes on the edge using a hole punch. Assemble your photo album. Lace it with a satin ribbon. Tie a beautiful bow. Your mini photo album is ready. This album will be a great gift for a friend or family member. The best part is that it easily fits in your pocket, which means that you can carry valuable photo memories everywhere you go. And for the next idea, draw Mickey Mouse's hand on cardboard. Do you remember that he has only 4 fingers? Cover the hand with white acrylic paint. Go over the outline with a marker. Draw stripes. Next, take a black elastic band. Join the ends with super glue to make a ring. Fasten Mickey Mouse's hand to the elastic band using hot glue. You can make several elastic bands and choose your favorite color. If you attach the elastic on a book, you can use it as a bookmark with a built-in pointer. Move the cardboard hand on the page and stop it at the right paragraph. Convenient and very unusual. And this time you will need a large cardboard circle. Cut a hole in the middle. Color the donut with acrylic paints. Print the days of the week on small sheets. Glue them to the cardboard. Hot glue the pieces of colored hot glue rods. The result is colorful sprinkles. Apply the school timetable label and write school subjects for the school week on the sheet. A funny donut will not only tell you what to prepare for tomorrow, but also decorate your room. You can smell the notes of chocolate and vanilla in the air. Did you like our ideas for office supplies? Which of them will you try out? Like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss any new videos on Troom Troom Select.